Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to decorate a table for one. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you and tell you how much I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Amen. Now remember to head on over to my community tab where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for the month of March. Now with that being said, I do have a couple of reminders, so let's get started. Okay everyone, so tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the spring entryway refresh. So if you're redoing your entryway, be it from the outside or the inside, I would love to see how that comes out. Remember, it's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Use the hashtag entryway refresh 24 and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Let's move on to the next one. So on Friday the 15th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Styling My Way, and I absolutely love this collaboration. Whether it's an item, whether it's thrifted, whether it's new from any one of the stores, or you're just redoing an area in your home, this is called Styling My Way. Again, it's Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I cannot wait to see you there. Let's move on over to the next one. Okay, so now we have Wreaths Galore, and that's coming back. I'm so excited. That one is called Spring is Blooming, and that's on Saturday the 16th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Remember to use the hashtag Wreaths Galore 24, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so on March 20th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Hopping into Spring Tier Tray Collaboration. I absolutely love decorating my tier trays. I don't know about you, but we don't want to miss this one. So remember, the 20th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Hopping into Spring. I'm so happy. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so now we are moving on to the 25th, which is Cozy Corner or Vignette. I absolutely love this collaboration also because you can decorate any cozy corner in any area of your house. If you don't want to do a cozy corner or a coffee station or anything of that nature, then you might want to decorate a vignette. So this is always beautiful because a vignette is portable. You can move it anywhere you want, rearrange it. It's just so much fun decorating these items. And so, yeah, I can't wait to see you there. Cozy Corner 24. I'll add it to the playlist. Let's move on to the next one. Now we are at the reveal. Isn't this an absolutely gorgeous little tablescape for one? I love it, and I hope you do too. Last but not least, we have the March Madness Meat and Cheese Wood Serving Collaboration. This is an amazing collaboration. It is monthly. I am very, very excited. Cannot wait to see you there. It is March 29th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just use Wood Serving 24 and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. So if you're watching this video, please share this. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.